Hello friends, good evening one and all. Today we are going to discuss about our next video on time management series, that is how to improve your income, how to live your passionate life, how to make your passion into your profession. Let us discuss them in this video. Let us start. In today's video, we are going to discuss about our weaknesses and about the strengths, what steps we have to avoid and what things we have to learn so that we improve our income and we reach towards our goals. The first thing, we have to identify the weaknesses. What are the bad habits that we have? First of all, we have to identify them. What are the generally we have so many bad habits? I will list up a few of them in this video. First thing is late sleep or too much sleep. Too much sleep is very bad for health. We are going to sleep late due to our increasing pressure in the work and in lifestyle, change in the lifestyle and food habits. We are going to sleep late in the night. So we are going to sleep at midnight, after midnight. So many people are sleeping after midnight. So in order to get good sleep, they are waking up late in the morning till 8 a.m. In this case, we are getting late. So how to overcome this late sleep or oversleep? Just follow these habits. So another important time waster is unnecessary chatting with friends and colleagues. So whatever we are discussing in our office or in our house, we are discussing about unnecessary or unwanted things which are not related to your growth or happiness. So try to avoid these unnecessary chatting about movies, cricket, etc. We are not discussing about our self-development or career development. So it is one of the time waster. Another important time waster in our day-to-day life is mobile internet usage. Excessive usage of internet or unlimited or unwarranted streaming of internet is a big time waster nowadays. So we are too much chatting and too much streaming. If you put a post, we are keep on watching the likes, how many likes we are getting to that post, how many comments we have received. We are watching every hour. So it decreases our productivity level so much. Suppose if we are doing a work, your mind will be focused towards your post or comment or social media. So also mobile notifications also distract us from our productive work. Every time notification come, our mind will be distracted and it focuses our work from our work to less productive to mobile checking. So this is also one of the time waster which makes us not a productive person. Another important time waster or a time waster is news. Regarding news, everything news is important. Whatever you are doing, the things that are happening around you is important, but the news are so many kinds of news are there. There are horror news, crime related news, business related news, sports related news, movie related news. So many news are there, and political news. So if you are interested, suppose if you are having a goal to reach a higher state, you have to focus on that news which is related to your field, not on other fields or like entertainment. If you want to achieve a bigger goal, you have said, you have to avoid this watching unnecessary news or unwanted news which is not related to your field of study. So another important time waster in your is wrong eating or wrong diet plan. So generally we used to eat outside. Nowadays we are used to eat outside like hotels, restaurants, etc. They serve not a good healthy food. They add so much spices and so much preservatives, etc., which inhibits our mind growth as well as physical as mental growth. They cause so many health disorders. So eating junk foods, baked foods and other confectionery items, cool drinks, etc. also makes us unproductive. They have an indirect effect on your productivity, by they have a direct effect on your health, and they have an indirect effect on your productivity. So improper diet is also one of the hurdle to your growth and your goals and to achieve your goals. Another important time waster is watching TV and movies. Watching TV and movies after we tired, after coming back from your office or work, we start we find entertainment. We require entertainment to relieve our stress levels. So people use it to watch TV to get relief. They watch movies or channels, unnecessary channels till midnight, so that they waste their lot of precious time. They also not spending much time with their family members. They are not eating dinner with their family members. They are not playing with their kids. So they keep on watching these movies. And in today OTT platforms came, where so many movies are showing in the OTT platforms, so that people have much choice to watch movies till midnight. Earlier days they used to go to movie theaters. Nowadays in home theaters came, and every day they used to watch movies till midnight. They are addicted so much to the movies and OTT platforms. So this is also become one of the time waster to achieve your goals. Apart from this, there are other things also, like laziness. Earlier I said too much of bad sleep, and laziness means procrastination or postponement. That means if you want to do some work today, you keep on postponing to the next day, and don't do that thing for so many days until it is a peak time, until the time the deadline came. We don't act on the important things until till the time of deadline. At the time of deadline, we are hurried and we do mistakes, and to rectify that mistakes we again get stressed and do another mistake, and so on. We reduce our productivity levels. So procrastination or laziness is one of the weakness. So apart from these, there are other weaknesses also discussed in the other videos. Let us discuss about the useful habits. What are the habits you have to develop in order to achieve your goals, or achieve your income, or you have to achieve your passion, make your passion into profession. Let us discuss them about the good habits also in this video. The first thing you have to do is early hour wake up. What is the benefits of early hour wake up? Early hour, we used to have, the climate is very calm and cool, everybody is sleeping, you have pin drop silence, so that you will get more focused on whatever you do. You have no distractions of your phone, no calls, everything will be in silence. So your family members also is sleeping at that time, so you can focus on more productive works. Early hours you have to do early hours. What is the time of early hours? Means in between 4 to 5 a.m. If you wake up in between 4 to a.m., it is very beneficial for you. In order to wake up early, you have to go to sleep early. So sleeping early and wake up early is do maximum productive works, like reading books. First thing, we have to read lot of books, lot of self-development books. They give lot of knowledge, self-development, career growth, and mind development. There are a lot of books written by so many important authors like Brian Tracy and Jim Rohn. Other self-development books, you read a lot of books. And apart from self-development books, you can refer subject related, your career related books you can refer. And so reading books is one of the important habits you have to do in the early hours. Apart from reading books, scribing is also an important habit. Scribing means whatever you learned in the previous day, what are your experiences, what are your knowledge, what are your thoughts, what are your ideas, whatever you come in your mind, you write it on the paper, so that you can refer it after a later date. Because whatever you think now, you can't remember in a future date, because mind thinks a lot of ideas now, and later on we can't remember all these things. So you have to scribe it on a paper or a diary, so that it will become a permanent record. And write all your goals on the diaries. Diarize your goals. Whatever your goals you have set, you have to review goals every day. You have to check it whether you have shown any improvement in your goals. So scribing is an important thing. Apart from goal setting, you can write to-do list. What are the important things you have to do throughout the day so that you can become a better performer? What are the tasks you have to perform? You list out all the tasks in the to-do list also. So scribing, apart from scribing and reading, the third important thing is exercise. Doing exercise is very good for health. It will keep you healthy, as it will keep you fit as well as mentally and physically. So do every day 30 to 1 hour 30 minutes to 1 hour exercise every day. So go to a walk or jogging or go to gym or do workouts. It will keep you sweating and makes your body release happy hormones, which will make you energetic throughout the day. Apart from exercise, you can do meditation and breathing exercises, which keeps your mental health and makes you stress free throughout the day. And spend a lot of time with your family, face to face time with your family, with your spouse, kids and family members, father, mother and colleagues, and also with your neighbors. So spending physically your presence is very important in order to improve your relationships. Apart from this, you have to learn communication skills, like how to make your body language, how to dress up, how to make appearance neat and clean, how to dressing sense, and what is your tonality, how you speak with others, how you communicate with others properly, so that it will be beneficial to your career growth and your passion to achieve your goals and passion. So apart from these habits, you have to learn time management tips, how to do things in a correct way so that you will be completed the task in time, so that you will be stress free and become a productive person. You have to review your goals every day so that you will be show this productive. Remember one thing, never ever think big things can't come in a single day. Every day you have to make progress in these following these steps. You show a slow and progressive growth over a period of time. You will see a remarkable change in your life, so that you will get better towards your health, wealth and happiness. So by following all these tips, these are some of the tips. There are so many other tips also I will add in my later videos. Kindly subscribe my channel, please like my videos, share my videos and follow my channel. Thank you for watching. All the best.